Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you my foam gun which I buy on AliExpress. It cost only 15 euro. I'm gonna wash my ATV with it. For washing I'm gonna use mix of active foam and water. I put 200 milliliters of foam and 800 milliliters of water. We're gonna wash my ATV and see does it work or not. I put the mix of water and water foam. Now it's time to clean our ATV. Always when I wash my ATV I take down the seat because water pressure can rip the seat, and I always put something here to prevent water to go in air filter. Now we can start. It's very good. Foam is very active. What I said. The foam was on the ATV about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna wash it down and see results. I think that results are good. The mud going down easily, and I'm very satisfied. For that money it's a good thing to have when you have ATV or car. Okay, that will be it for this clip. See you next time. If you like, press like, share. I don't know, if you don't like, press dislike. See you next time. Bye.